If you eat spoiled chicken, you can develop nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and headache. In worst-case scenarios, eating contaminated chicken can cause death. Yet it's not always crystal clear when the chicken has gone from fresh to spoiled. However, there are some ways you can determine whether or not your chicken is safe to eat. The smell of chicken can reveal a lot. If you've ever opened a packet of raw chicken and immediately noticed a foul stench, you've likely encountered chicken gone bad. It has a distinct foul odor that not only gets stuck in your nose but becomes one you'll not soon forget. It usually smells like ammonia or has a sulfur smell, similar to rotten eggs. Though odor is a telltale sign that chicken is bad, not everyone has the same sense of smell, which can put you at risk of food poisoning. However, if you have any doubts, there are other ways to figure out if your chicken is safe to eat. You can recognize spoiled chicken from how it looks. It's normal for a raw chicken to fade in color a bit since oxygen will cause the pink color to lessen. If chicken is cooked, it should be white and dark pieces should appear dark brown. Chicken should basically look fresh to the naked eye. If raw, it should be light pink and the fat on it optimally should appear white. It should be no signs of pink, which can signal that it's undercooked. Raw chicken can have a somewhat slimy feel to it, but if it has a slimy feel after it is rinsed off and patted dried, it's no longer good. If you touch raw chicken and it feels sticky, it's likely gone bad and you should discard it promptly. The same goes for cooked chicken, as any signs of slime or stickiness could mean bacteria has taken hold of it. How to keep chicken fresh and safe to eat. When buying chicken, pay attention to expiration dates. The package date is how poultry companies keep tabs on salmonella outbreaks, while the use-by date will tell you how long the chicken will stay fresh.